So, what's up everyone? Daryl here and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately: remote work. We're talking about the jobs that let you work from pretty much anywhere in the world, while also bringing in a serious income. We've done the research, Glassdoor, LinkedIn, Levels.fyi, and compiled a list that might surprise you. The numbers are pretty impressive, and they show how valuable remote roles have become. We'll be counting them down, but the order might not be what you expect. Grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's get into it. This is 10 high-paying remote jobs, starting with number 10. All right, kicking things off at number 10, we have a classic, the software engineer. Software engineers design, develop, and maintain the applications and systems we use every day. They collaborate via GitHub, Slack, and video calls, so location doesn't matter, quality of code does. Based on the data, the average remote software engineer in the US earns around $120,000 a year. Junior roles can be $80K, $90K, while senior engineers at major companies can clear $200K, $300K or more with stock. Coming in at number 9, the product manager. PMs set the product vision, the why, what, and when, and coordinate across engineering, design, and marketing. They translate business goals into roadmaps and keep cross-functional teams aligned. Remote product managers average about $130,000 per year. Senior PMs can reach $180K, $250K plus equity. Because the work is digital, roadmaps, user research, and meetings, it's highly remote-friendly. At number 8, data scientist. Data scientists extract insights from messy data sets, build predictive models, and inform business decisions. They use Python, R, TensorFlow, and other tools to turn data into actionable evidence. Average remote data scientists pay about $135,000 per year. Seniors can exceed $200K. Every industry needs data. Demand far outstrips supply, which keeps salaries high. Number 7, UX/UI designer. UI focuses on visuals, buttons, colors, typography, while UX focuses on flow and usability. Designers run user tests, build prototypes, and hand off specs to engineers, all remotely via Figma, Sketch, or XD. A remote UX/UI designer averages about $110,000. Juniors $70K, $80K, seniors $150K, $180K plus. A strong portfolio often unlocks the highest paying opportunities. Moving into number 6, the digital marketing manager. They build and run campaigns that drive awareness, leads, and revenue. Their world spans SEO, content, social, email, and paid ads, creative and analytical. Tools like Google Analytics, SEMrush, HubSpot, and MailChimp allow them to manage campaigns remotely. Average remote digital marketing manager pay is around $115,000. Experienced managers can reach $150K, $175K plus bonuses. Because campaign performance is measurable, top marketers are highly valued. It's a perfect remote role for results-driven creatives. At number 5, cybersecurity analyst. These are the digital guardians monitoring networks for breaches, malware, and attacks. They analyze alerts, run vulnerability scans, and implement security controls. Certs like CSP or Security plus experience boost pay significantly. Average remote cybersecurity analyst pay about $118,000. With certs and experience, it can jump to $140K plus, and senior roles $160K plus. With distributed workforces, analysts who can secure remote environments are in great demand. High stakes, high reward. Cracking our top 4, cloud solutions architect. They design scalable, resilient cloud infrastructure to support apps and services globally. This includes compute, storage, networking, security, and disaster recovery across regions. They work across AWS, Azure, GCP, and design CI/CD monitoring and failover strategies. Average remote cloud solutions architect pay about $155,000 per year. Experienced architects with certifications and deep multi-cloud experience can earn $200K, $250K or more. They're the architects of a company's digital foundation, and companies pay for that expertise. A top-tier technical role with matching pay. At number 3, copywriter. Might surprise you. Copywriters craft the words that make people act. Headlines, emails, ad scripts, product pages. Their value is measured by performance. Better copy equals higher conversions and revenue. This career has been remote-friendly for decades. All you need is a computer and audience understanding. A full-time senior remote copywriter averages about $95K KE. Elite direct response copywriters can make $150K, $200K, or more because pay is performance-driven. If your words move metrics, your income follows. Now for our runner-up number 2, the virtual accountant. Every business needs accurate books, payroll, taxes, and reporting, and accountants provide that remotely. Cloud accounting tools like QuickBooks, Xero, and FreshBooks let accountants serve clients from anywhere. They handle bookkeeping, payroll, tax filings, and compliance, work that's essential and ongoing. An experienced remote virtual accountant averages around $90,000 a year. Specialties like forensic accounting or international tax, or working for large firms or H&W clients, can push salaries to $120K, $160K. Clients appreciate the flexibility and expertise of virtual accountants. Remote delivery increases their market. Reliable, expert financial advice is always in demand and well compensated. Stable, respected, and lucrative. A core business function that adapts perfectly to remote work. And now, the number 1 highest paying remote job on our list. You might be thinking, online tutor? Really? But not the $25/hour high school sessions. We're talking elite test prep and specialized executive coaching. SAT, ACT, LSAT, MCAT, GMAT. Families pay a premium for results that open doors to elite schools. High net worth clients and executives pay for private coaching in public speaking, language, and specialized software training. Independent elite tutors charge from $200 to well over $1,000 an hour. A top-tier SAT tutor in New York or Silicon Valley billing $500 an hour and working 20 hours a week could gross $500,000 a year. They build reputation and scarcity. Testimonial proof and a booked calendar justify premium rates. Sessions happen over video. Tutors can work from a beach, cafe, or home office with global clients. High rates plus limited hours equals massive income potential. The ceiling here is extraordinarily high. It takes rare skill and branding, but the payoff can far exceed traditional remote salaries. So yes, tutoring at the elite level sits at the top for earning potential in the remote world. So there you have it. 10 high-paying remote jobs with some seriously impressive salaries. The key takeaway: location matters less, skills and results matter more. Which job surprised you most? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.